Hi guys, Michelle's starting to feel a little bit better and she's been desperate to open up her latest fairy loot crate, which she's been looking at through her ill eyes. Really said that very well. Furthermore, without... I'm not well.
Alan is saying that I gave him what I have, which isn't surprising considering we live in the same house. So yeah, so this arrived yesterday and I was not in a well enough place to open it or do anything. So yeah, my June Fairy Loot crate. Now, June's Fairy Loot crate is Rebels in Ballgowns. That's the cover art for Rebels in Ballgowns. And I will give Alan the cheat sheet so that I don't get pre-surprised. So the first thing is a candle, Little Crow it's called. Strawberry and pepper scented.
Exclusive candle by Geeky Clean. Inspired by the Nevernight by J. Christoph.
It's a very nice shade of pink. See there? Very nice. Then I have a bunch of, oh no, there's something else, in a very nice Fairy Loot box, and it's got a sugary component to it, so it makes nice noise, and it is hard to open. It's a necklace, and it's like a masked ball mask.
Yes, it's a masquerade themed item.
It's really nice.
Masquerade themed item, hang on a second. Brought to you by Team Fairy Loot, perfect for your everyday wear. It says.
It's really nice. Then I've got some purple fuzzy stuff. And then I have a cushion cover, because you can never have too many cushions. And this one says, your future can be whatever you wish. We all have the power to choose our own destiny.
Yes, it is a Destiny cushion cover designed by Miss Pie. If I've pronounced that right, P-H-I.
V.
Miss V. I missed an H. It's a quote from Stephanie Garber, a story filled with rebels and in Ballgowns.
Then I have some Shatter Me magnetic bookmarks. Because you can never have too many bookmarks,
no,
and I really like these ones because they don't fall out when I'm transporting my book in my bag. Then I have an iron-on patch designed by @inkandwonder.designs, and it says, it's always the fear of looking stupid that stops you from being awesome. Then I have a sample chapter-ish of...
It's a reading journal.
No, No, it's definitely a sample chapter. Sea Witch by Sarah Henning. It's like an advert. Then I have the reading journal.
Yes.
July to December 2018.
Been working on it for months.
It's really cool.
It's designed by Fiction Tea Designs and features quote art by Stella's Bookish Art. It's perfect to keep track of all the books you have read for the next 6 months.
It's actually really cool. It's all colourful inside. Look forward to using that. And I think we are now on to the book of the month. Yeah, there's nothing else in there. Right, so I've got my usual bits and bats and bobs in here. So there's my, so we've got my Rebels and Ballgowns bookmark.
Yep, because you can never have too many bookmarks.
I have a Grace and Fury by Tracy Banghart postcard, which I've got a feeling is probably, I probably shouldn't have looked at that first. Then I have a letter from the author and the fairy scoop, which we'll get into in a second. And the book of the month is Grace and Fury by Tracy Banghart. And I've got my
Sticker,
signed
signed
sticker.
sticker.
So, in a world where women have no rights, sisters Serena and Nomi face very different fates, one in the palace, the other on an island prison where women must fight to survive. Serena has spent her whole life preparing to become a Grace, selected to stand by the heir to the throne as a shining example of the perfect woman. But her headstrong and rebellious younger sister has a dangerous secret, and one wrong move could cost both sisters everything. Can Serena fight, and will Nomi win? The book has a really cool dedication for every woman who has been told to sit down and be quiet, and who has stood up anyway. So there you go.
Cool.
That is this month's book of the month. So I'll stick that in there in a minute. Fairy Scoop has the interview with the author. If you like, it says what to read next. So this book is a bit like Caraval by Stephanie Garber, Hunger Games by Suzanne Collins, The Selection by Kira Cass, and Red Queen by Victoria Aveyard. And next month's theme is The Power Within.
Okey-doke.
So this one will, the book in next month's book, Fairy Lit Box, will have sprayed pages, so there'll be a different colour on the edges, and will actually be signed by the author
Instead of stickered.
instead of a sticker.
Well, you'll have read that one by then.
Maybe. I've still got a few to get through from my list for the year. I seem to have picked all hard-going books at the moment.
Okay.
So there you go.
This month's Fairy Loot Crate.